Hey guys, Rajtile everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today's recipe I'm going to show you how to make Japanese curry rice, which is very simple and easy and delicious recipe. And let's get started how to make. So first I'm gonna prepare the all ingredient. So here I'm going to use meat. Here I use pork. You can use any kind of meat. Now cut into bite pieces. So here I use potato, carrot and onions. The ingredient is very simple. Now I already prepared the all ingredient. Now first I'm gonna cook the meat. So I'm gonna separate the potato and carrot set aside. To heat the oil, I'm gonna add garlic and onion. Fry for a few minutes. We don't need brown color in this recipe. After that I'm gonna add meat. So meat I use pork, so that's why I cook first meat, because normally if you are using chicken, other meat, so you can add the all ingredients all one time. But pork it will little take time to cook. Now add 1 cup of water and cook little meat becomes soft. So this is the Japanese curry cube. So it will come powder also. So this is the ready-made. So we don't need to add anything, just we need to add this. Now my meat almost like cooked. Now my meat becomes soft. Now add potato and carrot and add 2 cups more water. One time mix and just cook until not cooked properly potato and carrot. So I always using in summertime fan. So for this I do always, because if wind coming, so our fire will not burn properly. So for this we need to cover like this. So you can use fan also. Now check the potato and carrot is cooked or not. Potato all already cooked. Now it's time to add curry cube. So here I use 1.5 curry cube. The curry you can taste to you can add the curry cube. After that I'm going to just leave it for 3 seconds until curry will not melt. You can see the curry is already melt. Now you have to mix properly. Still some left. So this is the final result. Now it's ready to enjoy. The Japanese curry is they love to eat thick curries. So normally curry and Japanese curry, between these two, the Japanese curry is very thick. Alright guys, so this is my final result. So if you like my Japanese curry making style, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share with your friends and family, and every time enjoy my homemade recipe. And don't forget to leave comment below how it is. And thank you so much for watching my video, and we'll see you on next video. Bye bye.